और आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है नेटवर्क टेक्नोलॉजीज़। चलते हैं हमारे टॉपिक की तरफ। से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर कर दें। नेटवर्क टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ द कनेक्शन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ द वेरियस लिंक एंड nodes of a computer network. It is the topological structure of a network that define configuration of cables, computer and other peripherals. The major types of network technology include star, ring, bus, and hybrid technologies. Topology. Star topology is the most general type of network arrangement that is used in office and homes. It star topology, all component of network are connected to the connection device. This device is known as hub. The communications take place via hub, which acts as a common connection device. All the data initially initiated by nodes passes through the hub. The hub forward it to the destination. Nodes hub also manage and controls the whole network. Advantage of a star technology. The star technology is easily to install. The wiring arrangement is also easily. The transmission delay do not increase if a new node is added. If any node failed, if do not affect the network. It is easy to detect faults. Addition and removal of parts is easy in star topology. Disadvantage is topology. Star topology requires large cable length. If the hub goes gone, the whole network will be blocked. Ring topology. In a ring topology, the nodes are attached with each other in the closed loop. Each node has exactly two neighbors. The computer and devices connect each other and complete the network. Each packet is initiated across the circle and passes through all nodes until it reaches its final destination. Any breaks it connection loop might take down the entire network. Today, the ring topology is seldom used. Advantage of ring topology. There is no central node for controlling the network. Ring topology is easy to install. The uh, wiring agreement is also easy. It provides equal access to device, not a single node use all the bandwidth. It is easy to detect fault. Editing, adding and removing node is also simple. Disadvantage of ring topology. The transmission signals go the sequential order which create delay. A single break in cable can disturb the flow of the whole network. आज तक इतना ही, नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं नए टॉपिक के साथ।